I got networking issue that between three windows I was not able to share. So I got one purple computer name as professor and one green as home pre and my computer and this I call as a blue computer. So when I go as blue computer, I open Window Explorer. So when I go at that time, I cannot see one computer purple, which is professor computer. But somehow strange that professor can connect with the home pre like a green computer and they can exchange the file. But professor on other hand side, if this is like a remote desk, it's a and if I go in a professor computer, at that time this will not connect to my computer desktop. Okay, but now I can connect it. So this is like obviously working. Okay, so now it's everything is okay. Unfortunately, I could not show you. Now it's all working at that time. And I try a different kind of videos online in YouTube. Unfortunately, everybody copy from each other. There's not much a solution. So finally, I came a solution that like two computer connect each other, and like this computer can connect this the green one, like these two. But my computer cannot connect only one computer. So obviously strange actually. So then I thought it could be a my computer problem that it connect one but cannot connect another person. So that's why I put the name here and what you hear. This is, yeah, so this what it is. Like we have a green and we have a purple. So purple is like a professor computer. So what I did, I went online and everybody telling that you have to go program and features and then you have to click, you have to install SMB Direct. So that's also not working. Now I just remove it, like it's still working, so it's not the question. And of course, obviously, you know that for connecting window network, you have to make sure that you just check it out. Advanced setting and sharing, which is perfectly fine. You have to be active. You can see a lot of video about this one. It's a common procedure. See, right now I just turn off even a public and it's still working, okay? And I didn't go for, I just went for default because I'm trying to go for only private. So if I do at this time for a public, of course, when I connect with the public, it will still connect me with that, all right? So obviously you can go here and then you can click property and then you have to make sure this is a private. And also I saw the video that you have to go and allow this app. Okay, this was also working, but it could not help me out. So I went for networking discovery. So it's all click, click, perfectly fine. That still didn't work. And also I went for restore firewall default. It still did not work. So finally I went turn off the security. So I just knew that either I have to change the name of my computer or it will connect. But anyway, I went also services, what you call for services. Here you go, services. And I saw a different program and I have to change all of this, but I kept a recording for this and let's so and yes, which one is there? Nope. So this is the one, right? So you have to go for services. These four, I have to make sure they're running. They were obviously running, and then still the computer was not working. So finally, I just went, I knew that I have to release, for example, just using a modem. You can log into modem. Technically, you have released the IP address and delete IP address. So, for example, mine was this. Okay, so you have to click and you can use any other IP. For example, now I'm going to change IP to 13 you can choose whatever you want. And I can put computer name. You can save. So maybe it's used and I have to use, now it will click automatically. So it will just change a dynamic and whatever it can release. So then it start working. So finally I come to know that it was not connections issue, just like a internal network. You have to release IP address and now it start working. So now you see I work for a green computer, it can connect. And if I can go for my own computer, obviously work. And if I go for professor computer, it's a little bit slow. Yeah, it works. And as if I go on a professor computer, and this is a professor, and what I try to do, and from there I have to connect my computer. Obviously, it works. And from professor, I have to see if it connected the green computer, home pre, it works. So before, as just a reminder that I was not able to connect my computer to only the professor, but only one computer in the middle, both of them able to connect only one. So this was strange. So obviously it's not like all of the bunch of video on internet. Unfortunately, everybody is copying each other and they're not come a solution. So all you have to do release or change computer name and IP addresses, you change it, that's it. And of course you can go for, I don't want to make a video long, then you can go for IP config for command prompt and you can change from there too and release all of the IP and get a new IP address and it will start working after that. Thank you very much.